fine from Awesome Tech Gaming Pro. I hope you all are well. Today I will unbox the AsiaHorse Aurora Pro ARGB cable cover. If you care about clean cable management and stunning RGB aesthetics, this might be one of the easiest upgrades you can add to your system. This is 24-pin Aurora Pro Black Edition.
If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications and upcoming videos. I have another channel named Tech Gaming Villa where I upload similar kind of tech videos like TV comparison, sound system, home theater. You can check and subscribe.
And this one is for GPU 3/8-pin. You see, this is my PC. The cable management, it looks ugly and because of its cable. So if you need clean cable management, then you can buy this type of things. AsiaHorse Aurora Pro ARGB cable cover. This might be compete with the Lian Li Streamer Plus V2. So let's unbox. This has nice remote control. You can connect this from your power supply and control this. This is the AsiaHorse Aurora Soft Silicon Light Board Instruction Manual. This one actually 5-volt 3-pin RGB connector included. This is the 3-pin connector. Can connect your wire from this. Looks high quality 24-pin cover. Now I will unbox the 3/8-pin GPU cover. This is for GPU. This is a bit long GPU cover. You don't need this thing if you connect this GPU and CPU cover through your motherboard. If you connect this with your motherboard, then you don't need this thing. And this is the remote. There's so much option. This is auto mode. You can change the color. You can speed up and down. This is the mode. There are 124. You can increase or decrease the lightness. My PC is now running. I will shut down my PC, then I will install this thing and show you how to install this AsiaHorse Aurora Pro ARGB cable. Now you can see I installed the AsiaHorse cable cover. It has 108 ARGB LEDs. You can experience a seamless lighting condition with ARGB technology, which actually allows individual control of each LED of 108, and it's compatible with major brands like Asus, MSI, Gigabyte and ASRock. It enables detailed software adjustments via a 5-volt 3-pin interface. This ensures your lighting effects are perfectly synchronized, creating a cohesive and dynamic visual experience in your gaming setup or home office. And it features 108 patent LEDs that deliver vibrant true color rendering, ensuring each color is displayed accurately and consistent with software's color gradation with a lifespan of 20,000 hours. These LEDs provide continuous reliable illumination without light decay. Whether you are gaming for long hours or working on projects, the consistent and true to life lighting enhances your overall experience, and you can enjoy ultra smooth lighting effects with this 108 LEDs capable of up to 60 fps. This ensures a fluid and uninterrupted light show with over 124 preset effects. You can easily customize your lighting to fit your mood or match your setup's theme. The ability to sync with motherboard RGB software allows for further personalization, making your PC stand out in any gaming or creative environment. The unique soft silicon design of this RGB light strip makes it adaptable to most power cables. It effectively hides clutter, ensuring a clean and organized look inside your PC case. This design not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also maintains stable connections, making it perfect for those who value both functionality and style in their setups. And installing RGB light strip is a breeze with this simple 3-step process. You can fix the cable to the light strip
and use transparent plastic clips to secure the strip in place, and you can connect the ARGB interface and adjust the lighting using your motherboard software or an RGB controller. This straightforward installation ensures you can quickly enhance your PC's appearance without hassle, whether you are setting up a new build or upgrading an existing one. So what's your thought about this AsiaHorse Aurora Pro cable? Please tell me your thoughts in the comments below. That's it from now.